welcome una again today for another edition of our channel Corona True Tori. So today we will continue our talk about mask with our sister Matilda Fienken, when a pharmacist for USA.
The question with me I get them. Now I don't know if that mask them some particular way they for take care of them, or if person feel use them more than one time and stuff. If you try for show we how for wear them or how for or tell we how for take care of that mask, that different mask them we don't show we.
Yes. So that's a very good question and it is very important. Before I show una, I will tell una say, this mask is like umbrella and this sick is like rain. If you take this mask where you get for cover your nose and your mouth, and you wear them where you no cover your nose and your mouth, it be like you carry umbrella, walk under rain, you hold the umbrella for down. Rain go fall for your skin. So as I tell una, I say, this mask no be for nyanga. This mask is like umbrella for cover rain, now for cover your nose and your mouth. Now the important thing that we get to remember, if you get mask, it no cover your nose, it no cover your mouth. You walk outside with umbrella where you no put it over your head, where rain before. So because the same principle, the same kind thing for follow for use mask, it did the same for other one then. The other hospital mask they want to show now, they get some particular way then way they no be important. Now the important thing that I will show now how to use this one. The first thing with any mask for this sickness, you must wash your hand before you start. If you want to come out outside, you wash your hand. You take your mask. Anytime you come out, you don't need to wear your mask inside house unless there's some person is sick for your house or you is sick or you come out go outside here so you don't bring sick. If you don't only inside your house with your own family and una know the sick and una know the come out go outside come with some man fear, then una no need them. But when you come out to go outside, the important thing for the mask now say, the one will get it get some place when up. So and then they get down. So you go put the mask over your nose and then you go tie them for back. When you tie them for where you want to feel losing them, may not too tight. So you get to cover your face and your nose, but you get to feel able to breathe. So I go show you now. Even when you wear mask, you get to talk with mask. So I go show you how to wear them and then I go talk to you now so that you see. So when you go stand near a person, you know go check say I get to move my mask before I start talking. Then at that time where you feel even catch sick. So for wear the mask, you go put it over your nose and you tie them. And then for bottom, you go cover your mouth and you tie them too. If for any reason, so you see, it don't cover all my nose, it cover my mouth, it this corner, this so. When I hear me now.
Yes.
So when you wear and when you talk for person, you feel talk loud. If you get to talk for man, you feel talk loud. You come up go outside. The idea now, so when you come out your house, you leave that mask on. You not go take it off. No touch them because remember, say anything where you fall for the mask for outside, it will be contaminated. So you don't want to touch your eyes, touch and up and down. Just put and they get used to for keep it on. So that if reach some situation where you must talk for some person, the person not hear you, and you really must talk for that person, you go stand far away, 2 hands, and then you move them. You talk for you wear them. No wear them for your chin, like saying a chin strap. And you see people wear so, they walk around. The one that say you carry umbrella for your hand rain before, you know where put the umbrella over your head. It must cover your nose and your mouth so. All time. When you reach house, you move them. Each time you move your mask, make sure say you try make touch your face. So you won't move them away from you. Now why don't you get for tie? I mean not too tight so that if you move them, okay. So you move your mask away from you like so. And then anytime when you move them, you wash your hand with soap and water. Soap and water. You talk our Father who art in heaven, so you finish with soap and water, you don't wash and fine. If you don't get soap and water, if you go now for office or you go someplace, you use hand sanitizer. You wipe, put your hands to make the hand sanitizer disappear for your hand. So now so you use that mask. If you the over sweat or place over hot, some people they carry even 2 wrappers, carry clean one, carry dirty one, we change them. Once you come house, you wash them. You wash them the same with soap and water. You wash them and you dry them. If you want makeup or sanitizer, if you use iron, you iron them. So this one you see wear them so say anyhow we like them. It they like clothes, and you make sure say it look correct. If it start here or it start where it look see through or over light, then you need to change them. The other mask them like this one then so you see use them plenty times. But remember say now only one way they for wear the mask. Sometimes you don't see some videos say different way they. The way they make the mask now for wear and one, it gets 2 colors. Might use this one. The one side now blue or sometimes it be yellow. The other side now white. The difference for the mask now say they get 3 layers. The on top layer when are white. Now some material where you find to touch your skin so that if it is sweat, you will see absorb sweat for your skin. The inside layer na filter. Now why that way it go help to catch it like the sifter fufu. It will help to catch all that virus make it not enter. And then the outside layer now one way it will just block in them. So when you wear them, that white side it will touch your face because the material where they make and then now one way now you get to touch your skin. And the same way too. For this one too, you go see and say it get one side way it dey like some small wire iron. That side now you go there for up for your nose. Then the other side there for down. So for this one you wear and so. Okay. So now so you wear this one. Okay. And you move and so make sure say it not touch your face. This one you see wear them plenty times. So every time you move them for keep them for wear them again, make sure say the blue part now you go there for down. So that the place where you touch your skin now you go there for up, you keep them. And for that one, if you wear them so say you don't start to look like say it's dirty or don't sweat, then you get for throw air. You know they like the cloth one way if you wash them.
Sister Matilda, I thank you so very much. Today you don't educate me, you don't teach me things we will know forever know. So thank you so very much. Thank you for the new information. And we hope that this information we don't put out there will help a lot of people then to save their lives. We thank you all family members for Corona True Tori for joining me every day for get the right information we go help we for prevent this disease and for fight during this pandemic time.